Hello everyone, for today's Get Ready With Me, I want to film like a baddie look, like Korean baddie. So let's get started. First, I'm just going to prime my skin. I usually don't prime because I'm lazy. I think baddies prime their skin before makeup, so I am priming my skin. Every time I try to do like a baddie look, I just don't look like a baddie girl. I just don't look bad. It just looks like I have a black eye. But today is the day where I'm going to transfer myself into a baddie. I feel like there's a difference between like Asian baddie and ABG. The way that they do their makeup is very different. For today's look, I'm just doing an Asian baddie. I'm gonna attempt to do an ABG baddie next time. I have seen a lot of posts, mainly like Korean girls with their baddie makeup. Oh my god, comment below how many times I say baddie in this video, but they just look so cool and bad. So I want that look. I want to be like them. I want to join them. I want to be in their club. I'm gonna do some concealing, not much though, just a little bit. I think the part I'm nervous about is my eyeliner. I really hope that I don't mess that part up because the eyeliner is like the main point of the makeup. I'm going to set everything with powder. Normally I would move on to my eyes, but I'm going to contour first. I'm going to take this color, apply this right below my cheekbones. Oh no, I think I messed up. That's a very harsh line. I just blended it out with my face powder. I did not expect that contour to go so dark. I'm gonna do the other side and hopefully I don't mess up. And then I'm gonna do my nose and my eyes. I'm gonna go in very lightly so I don't mess up. Taking a smaller brush, and I'm just making a little bridge across my nose. Okay, so for my eyes, taking this as my base color. Next, I'm going to take this color, focusing this right here. Okay, I know it looks crazy right now, but I'm just trusting the process. And then lastly, I'm gonna take a really small brush in this dark color. Now I'm just going to tighten my eyes. Now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm really scared and I hope I don't mess up. I feel like I should draw a guide, but I don't know if I should just wing it. No, I'm a rookie, so I'm gonna line my eyes first with the shadow. Okay. Oh my god, I like didn't breathe the whole time I was doing that. Okay, so I even did this little thing that I normally don't do, but I decided to try it and it doesn't look that bad actually. Let's hope that I could do the same thing on this side. I'm going to take a break from my eyes and do my brows. Usually they have straight brows, but I don't have straight brows. So I'm gonna do my best to create like a straight brow. I just didn't fill in my arch over here. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara and my falsies. Let's finish the face. I'm gonna apply a very bright red blush. Also going to highlight. I'm putting it on my nose bridge, below my eyebrows. I'm also going to put the highlight right here. For my lips, I'm just applying a nice cool tone. It looks pink on camera, but in real life, it's kind of like a purplish color. Alright, I'm done with my makeup. Let's throw on some contacts. Alright, so this is my final look. This wasn't the look I was going for. I don't think this is like a Korean baddie. I think I need to look at more inspirations and recreate this look. Therefore, I don't think I'm gonna title this Korean baddie makeup. Maybe more like fierce, foxy. I have to think about what I'm going to name this look. Even though this wasn't the look I was going for, I had fun, so I guess that's all that matters. Thank you so much for joining me in this Get Ready With Me. Like this video and comment your spiritual animal. My spiritual animal is a sloth. I actually have a funny story about answering that a sloth is my spiritual animal in a job interview. I didn't get it. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!